Today we will learn how to check a schema markup to determine its validity. So let's start today's video. Assalamu alaikum, hi viewers, I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. The schema markup series is going on. In our last videos we learned what schema markup is, its importance, its types and how to generate schema markup in JSON-LD format. The complete playlist link is available in the description box below. I will also attach it to the end screen. Now, let's go to the computer screen for practical experience. We will see the example of the breadcrumb schema. The breadcrumb schema. The example of the breadcrumb schema, we will see that if I write SEMrush on SERP or Google, SEMrush is a very famous tool of keyword research, and you can see the title, URL, description of the website. After that, you can see here are some subheadings, or you can say these are the URLs of the pages of this website, so that one can click on the SERP on this link and directly land on the desired page. There is no need to go to any search bar. Right? How we add this schema markup we will see practically. In page name, you have to write the page name, which page you want to add. For example, I want to add my blog page in the schema. I will write the page name as blog and the blog URL. I will copy this URL. Click on blog, copy the blog's URL and paste it here. Now I will add the next page of SEO. I will write the page name SEO and copy the web page address. Just click on the web page, copy the web page address, permalink URL, whatever it is, and paste it here. And after that, if you want to add more pages, just click on plus add URL. For example, I want to add contact us page of my website on the SERP, that anyone can contact me directly from SERP. So I will write the page name as contact us and copy the URL of this web page and paste it here. You can add as many pages as you want, clicking on plus add URL, or if you want to delete any section or any web page, just simply click on the cross button. The process is very simple. And you can see that I edit my breadcrumb. I edit my all the information on my left hand side, and it is automatically added in the right hand side coding. And now I want to check it that this information is valid or not. So I will simply click on the Google button on my right hand side and click on Rich Results Test. And here you can see check as mobile or desktop, both modes. Click on test code. The result is here. One valid item is detected. If there is some problem or there will be some problem, then a message will pop up here. So that's all from today's video, viewers. Let's uncover more about schema markup in the upcoming videos. So don't miss any video, and for that subscribe to Organically Marketing. Thanks for watching. We will meet in our next video. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.